Hey guys, Irish Ass Kickers back here. I just got home from the Firework store, and we were on a budget today. We only spent $71, and I thought we got a pretty good amount. So I'm going to start off with the free stuff. Got 2 free punks. I like to use these to light my fireworks. It's a lot safer. I got some free rockets. They're called Wild Geese. They smell horrible. Smell like geese. Got 2 packs of Roman candles. It was buy one get one free. Everything in the store. See, got 2 of them. Everything I got 2 of, by the way, just except for the wild geese. Got 2 grosses of Black Cat bottle rockets, the best. Two packs of artillery shells. These are good ones. Only $24 too. And, sorry, there's a guy walking his dog. I'm in my garage right now, and I got a pack of punks, 79 cents. Then we got that was weird. And we got 2 full bricks of thunder bombs. So oh no, sorry, we got some more. Oh jeez. Oh, sorry. Let me just get these out. Sorry, I'm having really trouble. And I got 2 packs of these. These are Screaming Crackler rockets. Shoot up pretty dang high. But that's it. It was buy one get one free. So like I said, we were on a budget today. Let me just show you them. There's all right here in a bag. So I'll see you guys later. I'll try and get more videos up, so subscribe, like, and I will see you later.